guides and He provides. He leads in paths of righteousness for His name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, because the God of heaven is with me. I will never leave you nor forsake you. Joshua 1:9. Be not afraid, for thy God is with you wherever you go. David said, yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Remember that death is now just a shadow. Jesus said, do not worry, take no thought, let not your hearts be troubled. Almighty God has said, I am God and you cannot fail. I am God who will never forsake you. I am from everlasting to everlasting. Are you stressed and depressed? Is your life constantly difficult with unending disappointments? Have you given up hope and embraced anger and anxiety? Hear the words of the text. Be anxious for nothing. Say that with me. Be anxious for nothing. Daniel's prayer